Hi, good morning. This is beta version of civitedit, which is an internal tool of our studio for generative interface for artists. And what you're seeing here is these are the inputs and these are the outputs. For example, these two inputs are being used for a certain generation. So if I select this image, I can see image, and if I go and to compare mode and select the second image, for example, this one, so I can see different input and output. I can compare them, etc. But this is just a normal interface, and let me just go to view, and these are different generations which other artists have generated or been saved as a template by admin. So you can use just different images, use their prompt for different models. As a provider, we have replicate and file set up by admin and our own workflows for VFX intentions. But these are the different image models and which are selected, and you can also have different video models for generations. But anyway, this is the basic interface. You see input, output, and a library of the different presets. First, quickly starting by the artist for their internal testing. Once an artist comfortable with the user interface, he can then join different projects. I mean, for example, if I'm selecting and making an active project, and if I select the project, I'm working as an artist, then these are the different characters being generated for the specific project. And once I'm in a project, then I can see different generations, and I can also see the comments. I can being on a project, and I can also filter what the characters are, what the shots are, etc. This is a typical project type structure. If you are aware of kitsu and production tracking type system, this will simply work like that. I can actually behind the scene go to the project workspace and go inside the project. I can see different assets, and for example, this is a character and how many generations have been done with whatever comments have been done, etc. And similarly, I can go to shots, select a shot, and I can see different generations and if there are any comments on the generations being approved or pending, etc. Thank you very much.